Hi, welcome back. In this particular session, I am going to explain some important concept related to function, and that is nothing but built-in input-output functions. So let's see. So the agenda for this particular session is that I will be explaining what is print function in Python, what is input function in Python, sample program using input and output, and some simple built-in function examples, and that I will explain in Jupyter Notepad with some code example. So you can see here I am having, this is the input output function. I think you would have seen that the print function. So we will see the different variation of this print function. So here it is print. I am printing one string hello. So you can see here it has printed hello. Now you can pass as many parameter to this print function. Here hello, non-string items are converted to string. So here 5 is non-string, so it will be converted to string, and a space is inserted between these items. So let's print it here. So you can see here hello, there is a space here, and then this particular 5. You want to customize this one with some separator, that also you can do. You want let's suppose colon here in between in place of a space between hello and 5, that also you can do. That is hello 5 and separator. So let's run it. So you can see here hello and the 5, in between hello and 5 there is a separator colon. And here if you see here i am I am telling that the by default each list is terminated by a new line character, and this also can be customized. So by default each print list is terminated by new line character. So if you print this one, so here hello 5, and I am telling that, so here I am not telling separator. So by default separator is a space, and at the end I am putting this colon here, and the new line by default print statement is terminated by new line. So if you want to put, let's suppose, this colon in new line, next line, so you have to do like that, end /n/n. So that is the nothing but new line. So you can see here hello 5, two spaces are there because 2/n are there. So this is two space in between hello 5 and then colon. Now you can see here how to take the input from the console. So this is the uh, syntax to receive input from the user. So here it is input, enter a value, and that will go to X, and then it will be printed here. So let's print. So enter a value. So I am putting here 10. So it has printed 10 here. Now if you want to do some kind of operations, whatever value given by user, so that also you can do here. So here I am taking input and then performing some operation, dividing with 2 and then printing. So let's see here. I am giving here 10. So it is a type error. Why? Because this X is a string, and when I am dividing unsupported operation type string int, so what you have to do, you have to typecast it here. So which we have done it already here. So here you can see input, after taking input will be in the form of a string, and you cannot do mathematical operation in a string. So what we have to do, we have to convert that string in integer. So by default explicitly we are converting from a string to integer. Now this will not give error. So if you give here 10, so it will give you 5.0 after dividing with 2. This is the example of accepting a 2 or more value from the user. So enter two values separated by a space, and then split it, and then print the first index value, second index value, and then sec, uh, second index from the second index onwards. So you can see here. So I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see here the first one is 1, second one is 2, and after that rest 3 and 4, because I am taking from 2 to at the end. So let's print here y also. Let us take this, what is happening. So I am giving this. So you can see here this is y is printed with this particular value 1 2 3 4 5 6 with comma, and then this split has splitted this, and the first one has gone to the 0th index, 2 has gone to the first index, and from the second I have taken till end this 3 4 5 6. So now you can see here, to search the item in the list. So complete program with input output program to search if an element is present in a list. So I am giving this particular list, and user will give value which to be searched inside this particular list, and it will, this program will say whether that particular item is available inside this list or not. So let's suppose I am giving 45. So you can see here 45. So key is found in location 3. So you can see here 0, 1, 2. At the third position, third index, 45 is there. Let's run it again. And if I am giving 43, so see what is happening here. So key is not found. That means that 43 is not inside this particular list. So I think you can understand what is there. There is a simple logic to identify such the given input inside this particular list, and then I am printing here key is found or not. So I hope you would have understood that what is user defined built-in function input output, how to take the input from the keyword from the user, how to print, how to customize the print. So if you have any question, please put it in comment box. I will try to answer